喂食 FEED. Why should I feed my cats? You can feed her cooked fish. 我可以喂我的猫吃什么？你可以喂你的猫煮熟的鱼。FARM farm 农场。We visit a farm in 桃园。我们去桃园访问一个农场。Save 拯救 SAVE You saved my life 你拯救了我的命。Fault 错误 FAULT It's not my fault that you're late 你迟到并不是我的错。NF 足够 ENOUGH We don't have enough seats for 5我们没有足够的位置给